Ready to bring a new team member onto your payroll? Adding an employee in QuickBooks Online is straightforward when you have all their info handy. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Start from the payroll menu and select Employees. Click the Add an Employee button. You will go through a few clear sections. First, enter their personal details: name, address, social security number, and filing status. Then, input their pay details, like salary or hourly rate, and pay frequency. Finally, set up their tax withholdings based on their W-4 form. My crucial pro tip: use the onboarding checklist. QuickBooks can automatically email your new employee a secure link to fill out their federal and state forms online, like their W-4 and I-9. This saves you data entry and keeps their sensitive information secure. Once you save, they're in the system and ready for their first paycheck. What's your biggest question when hiring a new employee? Payroll, taxes, benefits, or something else? Let me know below. For more clear-cut business guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.